How to fix Facebook verification code not received issue. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and head over to your settings and then go to your app manager. So just go to apps and then go ahead and click on manage apps. So search for messages. So you can see it's right here. And then at the very bottom, you'll see clear data and then you'll see force stop. So go ahead and click on those two options and then go out of messages. Go ahead to your Facebook and long press on it and go to app info. You can search for Facebook within the app manager as well. And then go ahead and click on clear data here as well and also force stop Facebook. So once you do this, go ahead and restart and try to log back in and then your problem should be solved. So that is how to fix Facebook verification code not received issue.